Okay, so in this example, we're given that a compound shape is shown, and this has an area of 87 centimeters squared. So this is our compound shape, and we can see the lengths x, 9, 13, and 3, with the area of 87. And we've been asked to work out this length x. So I'm going to split this compound shape up into two rectangles. We'll have the rectangle on top, which I'll call rectangle A, and the one below it, which is B. And together, the area of A plus B equals 87. So if we just consider rectangle A for now, then we know the length is given as x, but we don't know the width. But we do know that from here to here, the length is 9, and we know this length is 3. So clearly it's not to scale, but the difference between the 9 and the 3 must be 6. So the length of A, or the width of A, must be equal to 6 units. So the area would be 6 multiplied by x, or just 6x. Now, if we consider rectangle B, well, this will have a length of 13 units, multiplied by the width of 3 units. So this is going to be 39. Now, if we substitute these two terms back into what we said at the start, A, so 6x plus B must equal 87. Now we can solve this equation by taking away the 39 from both sides, because what I want at the end is just x. So then 6x will be equal to 87 take away 39, which gives us 48. And now we need to cancel out this multiplication of 6. And the opposite of multiplying by 6 is dividing by 6. So when we have 6 divided by 6, these will cancel to make 1. So what we're left with is 1x, or just x, will equal 48 divided by 6, which is 8. And this will be in 8 centimeters. Okay?